For the looping exercise, I took the example number one, the square, and I turn it into an octagon. Obviously, changing the definition of the figure does not change the figure. You need to change the angle of the turns that the turtle's gonna take, and of course how many turns is the turtle gonna be taking. I realize that the turtle is just an embellishment, nothing that actually does anything. It's just where the looping effect ends. As I was reading, and my goal with the reason why I picked this is because I wanted to make the turtle turn. I have some experience doing HTML, and I learned a little bit of CSS, but I never learned JavaScript. And the reason why I'm doing computer science in City College is because I want to be able to do JavaScript. So I realized also that changing the length of the lines will allow me to have this circle here where the turtle can go around. Because if I make it, for example, 100, then the loop is too big. The circle is too big. So I thought 50 would be a good size. And to make it more similar to a circle, I thought an octagon will be appropriate. I wanted to make it colorful too, but more dynamic, not just one color. So I read that you could do the +3, and then you have to hit next to have the next figure or the next type set of commands. And I added a triangle, kind of like to symbolize a starting point for the turtle. Of course, like I said, this is not JavaScript, so it's not as dynamic. You cannot make the turtle move. So I designed a set of drawings that will make it look as if the turtle was going around the circle. I did try putting all the codes together, but of course that's not gonna work because this web turtle program serves kind of like a two-dimensional type of program. Of course, with JavaScript, I'm assuming, like I said, I'm not familiar, but I'm assuming that including all of this, incorporating all of this codes, will make a dynamic turtle that can actually move, like, I don't know, by clicking, and then it will move to the next corner. But yeah, I created several drawings to make it move, and the main difference is just changing the angle, changing the angle of where the turtle is gonna end the turning, the loop. I added here, for example, 2 more codes, but I changed the angle to 90 degrees and 80 degrees to make it be here, to place it here. That was the difficult part, getting familiar to where the turtle will be placed. As you can see, the turtle also rotates, so you have to also be mindful, kind of make it look like she's actually turning, not just moving around. But yeah, thank you.